Good morning, students. Class 6. This is my first video regarding Python. I hope you are able to work on Python. So, today I am going to tell you how to find the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. So, beta, this is an interactive mode on which I am working over here. Last time, as we have seen, if we'll write 4 divided by 2, it will give the answer. So immediately, so this is interactive mode, but we are going to learn how to work on script mode. For that, we will click on file and new file. When this new file opens, what we'll do, we'll close this interactive mode and we'll make it maximize the script mode. Now, the question is, find the area and a perimeter of a rectangle. So we use a command with hash sign to find area and perimeter of a square. Is it clear? So beta, if we want to find out the area and a perimeter of a square, then what we need? First of all, yes beta, we need length. And the second thing that we need is breadth. We need length and the breadth. So, and the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Whereas the perimeter of a rectangle is, it's rectangle. And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Is it clear? So हमें चाहिए क्या? हमें सबसे पहले चाहिए length and breadth. Is it clear? So we'll use a variable. Variable means which will hold the value while running a program. L. L is a length. L is equal to is an assignment operator. वो assign करेगा value L की. Is it clear? L is equal to int. Int means it is a integer number जिस पर हम कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं. Int input. क्या करना है इनपुट हमने? We will ask the user to enter the length. Is it clear? We will ask him to enter the length. The question is, why have you closed 2 round brackets? Because we have used 2 round brackets in the initial. So 2 opens and the 2 close. Now the next is B is equal to same int input inverted commas enter the breadth. हमने breadth भी उसकी ले ली. हमने दोनों चीजें एंटर कर ली, तो अब हमें क्या है? हमें एक फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? फाइंड द एरिया. एरिया इज इक्वल टू व्हाट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया? यस, लेंथ इनटू breadth. Beta, we have called L capital and capital B. Instead of capital L or capital small l and small b, the answer there will be an error because both the things are different. So if we'll write capital L over there and capital B over there, then we have to write it in the same manner. Is it clear? Now we will find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket L plus capital L plus B. Clear? Now this thing is input. These two lines are of input. This is of processing. Now input भी हो गया, process भी हो गया. What we want? Output. What we want? Output. So for output we use print, but in small. Print. What we want? The area. Okay. The inverted commas. The area of a rectangle is inverted commas close. We will put comma, and what we have write for the area? Area. A-R-E. Area. And we will put instead of this is equal to area and bracket close. Remember, whatever we want to print, we have to type it in round brackets. Now what we want? The perimeter. Okay. Print the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to comma. Now what we have written? Perimeter in a small. Now the students, you will let's see over here, whatever I have typed inside the inverted commas will print as it is, and this will show the value of this L and B and L perimeter of this one. Let's see. So when we want to run it, we will click on run. Okay, we have to save it. I'm going to save it in my folder D drive. I have made a folder of a Python programs, and I will give a name rectangle. What I have given a name? Rectangle. Save. Now enter the length 5, enter the breadth 6. Let's see. So students, according to the formula, what will be the output? Area, length into breadth, it is 30. Very good. And perimeter is L plus B multiplied by 2, 11 multiplied by 2, 22. Let's see, is it like that? Wow. Is it clear? Now here you can see whatever I have written in the inverted comma is print as it is. So students, I hope you are able to understand this program to find out the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. Students, still if you have any problem, you can contact me. Dear students, keep yourself safe. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.